Hi, my name is Lore. I am starting a YouTube channel as practice for making videos. Well, I'm not very good at this like eye contact with the camera thing. Like I don't want to look right into you. I kind of want to look off to the side like I'm in a TV show. I can't look at the camera. Like I'm too shy. I can't look at you directly in the eyes. I'm going to try my best to be engaged and like talk to you. Hey. Like, I don't want to be perceived on the internet. I don't want anybody to look at me. But the point of me filming these with my face in it was so that I could get good at recording these type of videos. Not to make videos for content, but to get good at these type of videos. I've always wanted to do ASMR. I love listening to ASMR. And I feel like I'd be good at it. What I've discovered is that I don't know what I want to do as a YouTube channel, so I'm just going to do all of my favorite YouTube videos in a video and see what I like the best. Welcome to, or welcome back to, What's in That Bag? I want to know what's in that bag. And this is the show where I show you what's going on in that bag. So what we got coming up right here, starting off strong with this horse. I don't know who it's made by actually, but it's like handmade. I know that it's handmade because it's supposed to be handmade. It can't stand up very well. Like this horse does not know how to stand. It's a silver horse. And I just think that's pretty cool. Are you gonna get mad at me for thinking that's pretty cool? No, I hope not. Anyways, what's up next in your bag? Do I like to engage in Twitter? Yeah. Do I like to be a part of trends? I will never say that. I will never say this, but yes, I do. Alright, well, let me just... This next one goes out to all my Twitter girly Lana Del Rey coquette queen. I don't know if you can hear me from here, though. Can you hear me from here? If I talk loud enough, can you hear me from here? Can you hear me from here? Well, I know that you can, Soup. Okay, yeah, you definitely can. Hi, and welcome to my makeup tutorial. My name is Lore. Thank you for joining me. Thank you so much for being here. So today I'm sponsored by Dior. Dior lip gloss. This is what it looks like. And this is what it looks like when I put it on. Now remember, viewer, this one's supposed to be lip plumping. So we should see this lip plumping take an effect in a couple minutes. So just hang on, please. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So the next one that we're going to be reviewing is we're going to be reviewing the Givenchy lip gloss. So this is the Givenchy lip gloss. Thank you so much guys for coming along with this. Get ready with me. Before I go, let's do one last segment, and that is the two phones segment where I show off two phones that I own. Okay, so the first phone is this Panasonic phone. I got it at the thrift store. I don't know where I got it from, but I got it from one of the thrift stores. This is one of the handheld ones, so it doesn't plug into the wall. It actually plugged into a charging port, and you can dial from here, but the charging port had like connection to the lip. I don't know, I actually think this was the antenna, so This is when we are moving away from the Ethernet wall ports. I'm actually not sure how phones work, but I do love that this one had a charging port. I had somewhere to stay. Second phone. Everybody say, second phone. Second phone. So this is the second phone that I own. This one is shaped like a key. And you can press the buttons. And I like this one because it's shaped like a key. It also plugged into the wall, as you can tell by this little cable here. So this phone would go directly into the wall. So here we have both two phones together. This one is not corded, and this one is corded. I think that concludes the end of the video. I think we did a lot of things today. I think that we did many a thing today, and I will keep making these videos because I need the practice. Okay, this is gonna be my favorite part of the video. Are you ready? Are you ready?